Hi, it's Maura. I know you watched my horrible, stupid, bad attempt to make a craft in my house last week. That was clearly a fail, a huge fail. So this week we're gonna watch one that I did in the office a few weeks ago. Yeah, there's a family exercising behind me. It's gonna be done. Bye. Okay guys, hi, I'm Maura. I'm whispering because I'm at my desk at work, but I'm gonna do this tiny desk candy craft. I bought this because it said so cute, so fun, and I like cute things and fun things. We have ramen, a gyoza dumpling, spring rolls, and mango pudding. So I've seen videos of these online before, and they look really fun and they look really easy. So I'm gonna try to do it in 15 minutes before my boss gets back. Okay, so let's go. So I'm just gonna take a look at the box for a second. It says it's for kids, so I should be able to do this pretty easily. As you can see, there's kind of a lot of directions. So I'm gonna take everything out of the box and do my mise en place. Just wanna stay organized. Okay, everything's sealed. Okay, so we have dough powder, noodle powder, soup powder, something in a red thing, mango pudding powder, a little bag, a little fork. So cute. A thingamajig. Wait, oh, is that from Little Mermaid? What does she call forks? Dingle hopper. And, oh, important, a tiny toothpick. And then, oh, this cup. This is definitely for the mango pudding. So the first thing it says to do, number one, oh no, I've already messed up. Okay, I'm not reading the directions well. I need scissors. Cut apart tray as shown in picture. Feel like I'm messing this up. I just realized, where's the bowl for the ramen? Am I making a bowl? Okay, well, we'll find out. Oh my God, this is not a perfect circle at all. Okay, step one, add water to the cup until it is half full. Add powder from the orange packet, mix. It will become firm. Ooh, it's turning a color. Ew, it smells weird. Oh, okay, I dripped some. Okay, step two, make ramen toppings, boiled egg. So I need to pour water in the star tray. Add powder from the blue packet. Oh, I heard my name over there. I'm working, I promise. This is a really weird texture. So tear off 2 pieces of the dough and fill the Naruto/egg molds. This might be where it all falls apart. Ugh, God. I feel oh, okay, it accidentally came out, but now I don't know where to put this, and now I just have a little egg on my thumb. Sorry, Eric. I'm just disturbing everyone around me. There's a lot going on. What, guys? So it seems like now we have an audience. Pressure's on. Step 3, divide remaining dough into quarters. Spread one dough evenly to match shape. Guys, oh my God. What is going on? It's mean.
You suck.
Oh my God, I'm gonna kill everyone. Okay, fill space on each side with powder from the red packet. Okay. Oh, it. Close the mold, press sides together to attach. Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God. Let's do another one. Okay. I'm running out of time. Okay. Ah! Oh my God. When this works, it's shocking to me. Place powder from the red. What? I'm now making spring roll. Put some of these and just roll it. Shit. There's a lot of people in a meeting behind me. It's people who are my boss's boss, and I'm just doing this craft. It's fine. Here, that's my spring roll. Okay, we're making the ramen. This is the step. Add powder from the brown packet. Mix, pour water. Oh, it's gonna be cola flavored. Okay, so here's the broth. You can see it there. Yum, yum. And we put the noodle powder in the other thing. Ooh, okay, this is looking weird. So the mystery of the toothpick is been solved because pierce the corner of the bag. It's like a piping bag. Some pastry skills. Squeeze the mixture. Okay, this is the money shot, guys. Squeeze the mixture into the brown liquid. Oh my God, it's ramen. I'll just like knock it in. Ah. So that's the end of the directions. So I guess I'm done. I don't feel like this is very complete. I just dropped my egg into the soup, but upside down. My God. Okay, I'm gonna style this. Okay, there's our little ramen. Here are my spring rolls. Here are my little dumplings, my gyoza. That took longer than I thought it would, and it was harder than I thought it was gonna be. Since this whole thing is technically candy, even though I was just like doing it on this desk, I'm going to try it now. A little dumpling first, gyoza. Everything's colder than room temperature, and I'm confused about how that happened. The dough, it tastes like nothing, but the texture is like so strange. I think the spring rolls, it's like the same thing, but a different ratio. More filling, so I'll probably like it better. Okay, whatever. Mango. Oh. Grainy. Okay, last but not least, let's see if my noodles are like actually, I can noodle it out. Oh. Oh, oh my God. Look at that. The noodles taste like basically the dough from the other stuff, but like if it was just sitting in flat Coca-Cola. Ooh, flat Coca-Cola is good though, the broth. This has become absurd. I'm definitely gonna be talked to about this. So I have to be done, and get back to work, but I'll try to sneak away and find another fun thing to do for you guys soon. Thanks for watching. I really, really need to be done now. I need to work. Okay, bye.